Your booster can extend your hub's Wi-Fi signal to cover those harder to reach areas in your home. Put your booster about halfway between your hub and where your Wi-Fi is struggling to reach. Plug the blue end of the power cable into the blue port on the back of your booster. Then plug it into the mains and switch on. Wait until the power and Wi-Fi lights turn green. Hold the WPS button on your booster for 3 seconds until it flashes amber. Then hold the WPS button on your hub for 3 seconds until it flashes amber. You'll need to do it within 2 minutes. After a few minutes, the connected light should turn green. You're all set up. But if it turns amber or red, try moving your booster closer to your hub and connecting again. If you move your booster, it'll automatically reconnect to your hub if it's close enough. For more information, go to sky.com/boosterhelp.